This is a very different movie.
It's called Halloween Kills, and it has to live up to that title. It's a bigger, badder, nastier, crazier version.
40 years ago, a madman escaped from a mental hospital. The boogeyman is coming for you.
This evening, 4 bodies were discovered.
The last movie was Laurie's story. This is the town's story.
Laurie, what do we do?
We fight.
David was really clear that he just wanted to explore the after effects of violence and how it affected Haddonfield.
It really does talk about this sort of mob mentality.
We're gonna hunt him down and we're gonna put an end to this.
This idea of fear, is interesting. Fear as a driver.
There's just nonstop action and blood.
Evil dies tonight!
It's really intense.